Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take the armature out of the vise. I'm going to show you how to install the bearings. All right, so you got some new bearings here, 1 and 2. All right, and I'm going to have my hammer, like as I showed you, and the pipe as I showed you in the beginning of the tools section. So we're going to take the same socket. We're just going to place it over one end of the shaft that we're facing down on the workbench here, just like this. Okay, you're going to take our second bearing and you slide it right up here like that. Try to get as level as possible, and then you're going to take your pipe, just tap it a couple times so it's level, just like that. Hold your hand on it just like this. Everything is solid. Okay, what you're going to do is take the hammer and you give it some good force jars, like good jars, right? Now you want to wash it. There's a clip there, okay? So you see there's a clip there. You want to make sure you'll hear it. See the difference there? It's on there, okay? The bearing is on the clip. Now I'm going to flip it around. Okay, I'm going to reverse my socket just like this. Okay, spin it around just like this. Okay, same thing. Now this one, you don't have to worry about the clip. You have that solid metal there, okay? So there you go. Put my bearing on as straight as I can. Take my pipe. Now, look, the pipe here, real quick. I'll show you. The pipe, real quick, matches on the inside of the race, see? There you go, on the inside, not the outside. If you push from the outside, you could bust the whole bearing apart. But from the inside, it works good, okay? So here we go. Stand that up. Get my bearing on here. Put my pipe on here, get my bearing as level as I can, and then here we go. This way you don't need a hydraulic press, and you can put it on. Okay, so my second bearings are installed. Now that my second bearings are installed, like I said, if you want to clean that shaft up, there you go. Now what you want to do is just take your end bell. You want to clean this up. Obviously clean this up depending on what condition yours in. This one's a little dirty. You want to just clean it up. There you go. Give it a couple little taps. Just make a tap shut on the ground. Make sure it's set in place. There you go. Once it's set in place, you just spin equally, just like that, and you should see none of the bearing, just like that. Okay. So there you go. Now our end bell's in there. Okay. Our bearings and change, and we're going to now show you how to put it back inside the stator.